What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you from the home place here. Um, I've had a lot of people asking for an update on the Saab story. God, is it a Saab story? Jeez, man. Uh, I've been working 7-day weeks. Haven't been out to the auction in 2 weeks because I've been so busy. I've worked 21 days in a row at the fabrication shop, so been too covered up for auction and car stuff. But I thought, hey, I got a minute this Sunday afternoon. Let me update on the Saab. It's gotten cold here in Georgia. I mean, I woke up this morning, it was 43 degrees here. It was a nice day to work. That's for sure. Let me get the camera turned around here. I don't do many shots of myself, as y'all know. Let's see. Let's see if I can figure out how to do that. There we go. There she is. There she is. Hasn't moved. Gosh. Hasn't moved in a month. Month and a half. Hood still got the hood popped open here. Okay, so I had my guy come, my Saab guy come, and he disassembled. Let's see, he unhooked. What did we unhook? I think he might have put it back on there temporarily. Anyway, he unhooked the pipe that goes into the turbo here, and I can feel the impeller, and the impeller is completely toast. It's wiggling around side to side, and it goes clunk, 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 clunk. Now, how a turbo impeller does that in 94,000 miles with proper oil changes, it's beyond me. I don't get it. So anyway, we can either send the turbo out to be rebuilt, or we can order the turbo for a Buick Regal that was made on this chassis. But while he was checking out the turbo, doing all that, let's see, we got 90, how many miles we got? Oh, we got 94,579. Man, I hadn't been in here in a long time. There's my key. I don't even know if it'll start. I'm going to do a startup, and this is going to sound horrible. I hope I don't blow the motor up. But I was hoping y'all might be able to hear the next problem that he discovered. Well, the whining from the turbo covers up the sound I was wanting you guys to hear. Basically, what it is the timing chain slapping. One of the tensioners on the timing chain, or more, 1, 2, I don't know how many's on there, have failed. So, yeah, we got a problem. God, look at all that filth. Got cobwebs all over it. Cobwebs going down to the ground. I mean, this just makes me sick, y'all. I mean, just makes me sick. Oh, those are my nozzles for my pressure washer. Been wondering where those are. They go with my little Craftsman pressure washer I bought. But yeah, that was the first time it's been started in about 6 weeks. I can smell a little bit of oil, like a little bit of burning oil out the tailpipe, which wouldn't surprise me considering the situation with this motor. Ecotec Turbo. Yeah, that's pretty sad. He was actually very surprised that with such low miles that Number one, he was very surprised the turbo's gone. Number two, he was pretty surprised, but about the timing chain as well. Now, he says he has seen them with low mileage blow their timing chains. He says, it's just kind of a fluke thing. God, that paint's cracked right there. So he wasn't nearly as surprised by that as he was the turbo. He was like, the turbo, this is almost ridiculous. He was like, it should not have a blown turbo with this low of miles and the oil change history on this car. So I don't know, but that's where we stand. So just like my beautiful ultra luxury ES350 that's sitting in our warehouse in Chattanooga for, we're going on what? We're over a year and a half now. Bought it, April of last year, I believe. Now we got the Saab sitting in my garage, just pending. My guy, he says he can fix it for around $2,300. And I don't think that's too bad. The turbo's like $700 of it. If we just order the new Buick Regal turbo, time and chain kit's a few $100, and then about $1,000, $1,000 or so for his labor. Oh, and he was going to convert my tail lights to LEDs. If you know much about the Saab 9.5s, this last generation, the bulbs go to shit in the back and you have to convert them to LEDs. So yeah, it's not a bad price. So I'm just, I've got, me and my brother, we've got about 6 cars we're sitting on right now. 2 Mercedes, the VW Passat wagon, a car I haven't even showed you, a Mercury Sable, a GMC Denali. We still got the other Lexus in this. I'm covered up with cars, and I'm trying to funnel money in the right directions right now. So yeah, I'm not in a real hurry on this. It's in here, it's covered, it's safe. It'll be fine, and we'll get to it when I can. When I have the extra dough just laying around. I got to sell some inventory first. But anyway, so that's the story on the Saab. Just wanted to give y'all a Saab story update. And I'm going to go eat chili. Let's see, at my cousin's house, right around the corner there. I saw my mom just now back out of the garage and leave. My mom lives right next door. So I'm going to head over there and go eat some chili. Y'all have a great week. And I'm going to try and get out to the auction this Thursday and try and get some new content because I'm out. So y'all have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the old Saab. We appreciate y'all. See you next time. Peace.